Okay, for the last measure of position, we have the percentile. Percentile divides the distribution into 100 equal parts. So expected that the values for percentile is from P sub 1 to P sub 99. Okay, this course divides now the distribution into 100 equal parts. Now, the formula for the percentile is the P sub k is equal to kn over 100, where k is the desired percentile and n is the number of observation, 100 is the number of equal parts. Now, to illustrate this further, kung kanina sa quartiles, meron tayong tig 25% nung 4 equal parts natin. Sa decimal naman meron tayong tig 10% kasi nga decimal siya. Dito naman sa percentile, meron tayong tig 1%, tig 1% to occupy the 100% as a whole of the data distribution. To illustrate this further, for any P sub 80, since that is 80%, so 80% is also equal to B sub 8 because decimal 8 is still 80%. Okay. While P sub 50 occupies the 50% and D sub 5 or decimal 5 also occupies the 50% as well as quartile 2, wherein quartile 2 or the median also divides the distribution into 2 equal parts that occupies the 50% higher and 50% lower. Next, we have the P or percentile 25. Percentile 25 is also equal to quartile 1. So quartile 1 for 1, 2, 3. For percentile 25, okay, it occupies also the rest 25%. As well as P sub 75. P sub 75 or percentile 75 also equal to quartile 3. Next, we have P sub 30. P sub 30 is equal also to decimal 3. And P sub 60 is equal also to decimal 6. So that is for percentile. Again, the formula for percentile, we have P sub k is equal to ka n over 100. Okay, to illustrate now the calculation of percentiles, percentile is used in ranking also. Ano yung number at percentile 5, ano yung score at percentile 75. Okay, para malaman natin sino yung mga top 1, top 2, top 3. Yan, ginagamit ang ating percentile ranking. Sa LET or licensure examination, percentile ranking ang ginagamit to identify the top 10 of the board passers. Okay. Okay. So, let's say we want to find the top 45, the top 68, and the top 75 of the distribution. So, for the solution of this problem, lalabo ng aking eyes. Okay, let's use the formula. So, ang ating P sub 45. Ang value ng ating K dito is equal to 45. Ang ating N, we have 20 students rather, for 20 scores. So, we have N value which is 20. So, let's calculate for P sub 45. It is equal to 45 times 20 over 100. So, 45 times 20, we have 900. This will determine the place of our percentile. So, we have 900 over 100. That is equal to 9. Cancel mo lang yan. 9 na siya. So, our P sub 45 is the 9th score from the distribution. And the 9th score from the distribution, itong distribution natin is na-arrange na siya from least to greatest or in an ascending order. So, our 9th score, let's count. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, this is our P sub 45. This is our 45th percentile. Next, let's have the solution again for P sub 68. Okay, so for P sub 68, the value of our K is 68 times 20. We have 20 scores over 100. So 68 times 20 is equal to 1,360 divided by 100. That is equal to 13.60. Approximately, this is 14. So we can find the 68th percentile on the 14th place. So count tayo ulit. So meron tayong 9 doon. 9, 10. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. So ang ating P68 or percentile 68 is at 14th place. Ang 14th place natin is 34. So this is your P sub 68. So 34. So our P sub 68 is 34. Sub 68. Next, for the last one, the solution for P sub 75. P sub 75. P sub 75, the value of K is 75 times 20 over 100. So 75 times 20 is 1,500 over 100. That is equal to 15. Okay. So our P sub 75 is on the 15th place. Okay. 15th place is 45. So this is your P sub 75. So ganun lang maghanap ng percentile scores. So this is P sub 75 is 45. Sub 75. Ideally, P sub 75 also is equal to quartile 3. So, kung hanapin natin yung quartile 3, ito rin siya, 45. So, that is for percentile. So, kung hanapin natin yung pang top 75, ang score niya ay 45. Yung pang top 68 naman, ang score niya ay 34. What if hanapin natin yung top 1? Siyempre, yung top 1 natin is P sub 100. Pero wala namang ganun. So, around that top 1, ang nasa percentile natin is P sub 99. We want to find the scores for P sub 99. We have top 1. May pinakamataas na score. Pero hindi na natin siya kailangang hanapin actually. This is your top 2. Okay. Limbawa lang. So, 99 times 20, we have 1,980 over 100. So, that is 19.8 T. Approximately 20th score. So, kung ano yung pinakamataas, ito yung ating maximum. Okay. Kasi nga 20 yung score natin. So, ganun lang for percentile. Again, percentile divides the distribution into 10 equal parts, and it is given by a formula P sub k is equal to kn over 100. The step in finding percentile scores is that you have to arrange first the scores in an ascending order or from least to greatest before performing the operation or calculation. So that's it for this video. You can pause anytime to copy the notes. Okay? So I'll not give you seat work anymore. So that's it. Bye.